try to make this delicious cake. Yes, very good. First, enter into your home. Oh, I love my house. Ooh, I have to go by. Okay. Second, you make sure you have your egg. Come on, zoom in, Carl. Okay, that's enough. Your egg, your flour, and your milk. And then add them in. Get back in there. Get in. Okay. Step 4. Wait 1 second. Step 4. You add in any chocolate mix, like, I don't know, maybe Larry from Resident Mascara or something. I don't really care anymore. Just get in there, Larry. Just get in my bowl. Okay. And then you make sure you mix it by hand. It tastes better when you mix it by hand. Man. Okay. And then your batter's gonna be ready after that. Second, you just throw it in your oven. If your bowl breaks on your first try, that's great. And then you set the time for negative 3,000 degrees. And then after that, you activate it for 3,000 hours. Boop. Okay, and then you just activate it. Boop. And it doesn't really matter if you want to stick in your head to go check on your cake. Yeah, you really get in there. That smells great. And after you take out the bowl, you flip it upside down, you lift it up, and boom, presto mundo. You got a cake, a really delicious cake. Hopefully the police don't find out that I used their uranium. Hey guys, I think this is the guy who used our uranium. Shoot the thing! Oh yeah, by the way, if you get chased by the cops, it'll taste even better. Oh no, his walls, they're indestructible. Bomb cake. What was that supposed to do?